morning, guys. Welcome to another edition. We have a winter storm that is supposedly coming in this weekend. As I have said before to my friends and family, I'll believe it when I'm standing in it. But supposedly a big snowstorm coming, so we'll see how that goes. I found out I am a few books behind on one of my favorite book series of all time, the Dark Elf books from R.A. Salvatore. Don't want to give away any spoilers in case anyone's reading it, but the last book that I read, he had so many angles set up that I was afraid he was looking to close the series out with one final massive firework of a book, but apparently not. There's a whole nother series coming, or another trilogy or quadrilogy or what the heck ever that's coming. So I'm gonna have to go pick those up somewhere. That series is about 25 books long, give or take. Basically what it is it chronicles a guy who doesn't fit in with his race and tries to make it out in the greater world, and everybody shuns him because his race is known by their cruelty and violence and whatnot. So it's kind of like a racial undertones type of thing, but it's really good story. It's a real page turner. For lunch today, I get to do one of my favorite pastimes. I get to drive down to the DMV and get 3 vehicles tags redone. Yippee! That is such a blast. I love sitting in line at the DMV. If the video quality seems a little bit better today, this one is the first of these videos that's being recorded on my new Droid Ultra. My Razor has officially been replaced. I got my case, I got my screen protector, and all of that, and now my phone is in full use, and the old Razor has been retired. A bit of a snow squall here all of a sudden. I didn't mean it. That's pretty. Car in the ditch there. Where was I? Planning on getting my GoPro today, or ordering my GoPro today, I should say. GoPro Hero 3 White Series with various accessories, including a chest harness and extra batteries. So when Haspin rolls around this year, I should get way better footage. So I hope everyone's looking forward to that series of videos. I was thinking about doing a series of videos showing the places that I tend to go for lunch, possibly get like short clips of the people who work there and stuff like that, assuming they don't have a cow when I come in with a camera, and just like kind of give them a little bit of advertising, local places. Let me know what you think. Leave a comment or something along those lines to tell me what you think about that, or if there's places that you like to eat in the downtown Mansfield area that I may not have tried yet. If you go ahead and throw a comment, that'd be great. Well, guys, thanks for sharing, rating, subscribing, leaving comments, and all that kind of stuff. And as always, thanks for watching my damn video.